Today I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to use the to-do list to help grade assignments in Google Classroom. Click on the three lines in the upper left-hand corner and click on the to-do list that you find in that list. This is the to-do list, and on this you will find assignments that are completed, assignments that are not finished, and as you scroll on down you will find assignments that are finished and graded. To grade an assignment, choose the advantage of Google Classroom, and there is one that is done. So click on the Done assignment, and you see that it is finished. So we have it is done correctly. So we'll go ahead and click that it is done and give it a grade. This particular assignment is worth 10 points, so we will give that person 10 points. And then return the assignment to the student. Now, this is simple to find the assignments that need to be finished, and so if you wanted to sort the to-do list by another way, you can go to the upper left-hand corner again, choose the to-do list, and you can choose all classes or just one class, and you can check out to see what has been done and what hasn't. This is an easy way to keep caught up on the work that you need to do in your classroom. Thank you.